Alright, so I've got a little treat today. Something arrived in the mail. It is a Mega Man X2. Oh. Like model. Look at that. Oh, lovely Japanese cover art. Oh, look at that. It's actually a little bit smaller than I was expecting, so if you get an RG35XX, it's only so big. I actually thought it would be bigger than this, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. Let's put that back here. Let's take this off. Oh, boo. That sucks. Oh well. It's meant to be enjoyed outside the box. Let's have a look, see. Oh yes. So, if you didn't know something about me, I'm a big Mega Man fan. It's about the same size as the figure arts ones. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. What is the purpose of that? Why do you get a second one of those? Okay, never mind. We'll figure all that out. So, oh, it's got a light. And there's no batteries. Well, that looks pretty cool. Well, there you go. I've got some more Mega Man to go with the rest of my Mega Man stuff. Have a great day, everyone.